Welcome to Learning Space Africa. Today we are going to talk about significant figures. In some cases, you'll be asked to do some calculations involving significant figures. In order to do that effectively, we need to consider the rules that are involved. For example, if we are looking at addition and subtraction calculations involving significant figures, the rules are different compared to those of multiplication and division. So if we are doing an addition and subtraction problem, what we have to keep in mind is that our final answer depends on the value with the least number of decimal places. What do I mean by this? So let's say we have an example where they're asking us to add 13.4637 to 1.62. If we're doing this, we know that we can arrange this as the following. If we do this, we see that we're going to have 7, 3, 8, then this is 10, so we put 0, and then we carry over the 1 to this, so we get 5 and 1. Now, remember what we said, what we have to pay attention to. Our final answer depends on the value with the least number of decimal places. Among these two numbers, which one has the least number of decimal places? This number here, we have 4 decimal places. However, this one here, we have 2 decimal places. So it means that our final answer has to have 2 decimal places. So basically, if I come here, I see that my 2 decimal places will end somewhere over there. So this means that our final answer has to be 15.08. Now, let's look at when we encounter a calculation that involves multiplication or division, right? In this particular case, our final answer depends on the value with the least number of significant digits, right? So value with least number of significant digits. So let's take an example. Again, if we have 13.4637, and let's say we're multiplying it by 1.62. Again, what we will see is that when we go ahead and multiply this, we are going to be limited by the number of significant figures. So this value here has the least number of significant figures of 3. Therefore, when we multiply this, we will just take the number 21.8, right, as the case here.